Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to the monochromatic Instagram hop for this week. We are featuring Berry Burst as our ink colour. I'm also using a stamp set and die set. Actually, I don't end up using the die set, but the Crafting with You stamp set and dies have carried over to our new annual catalogue, and you can find them on page 75 of the catalogue. Okay, so we're starting off with a piece of A4 basic white thick card base. I've scored it in half, cut it in half for our card base. Then I'm using another piece just to create the card front. So this is such a simple card, and I really love how simple it is, but it's a really pretty card as well. So I hope that you love the simplicity of this card. Let me know. I think sometimes you need to just be able to create quick and easy cards using, minimal supplies, and you could even get away with this just stamping straight down onto the card base and leaving it a one layer card. Completely up to you. So this stamp set actually has quite a few really great crafty items in it, from drawing to using our cut and emboss machine, paints, a sewing machine. We've got knitting needles and wool. We've got some flowers there as well. Lots of good little fun things to use, and we're starting to get into our wintry weather here in Australia, so I wanted to use the little balls of wool. So I've just stamped my sentiment in the middle, sending you a handmade hug, and then I've stamped the images on either side of it. I was going to leave it there. That's how simple this card was going to be, and then I thought, you know what, I think we can use that little basket in that stamp set and add a little basket and a little bit of a pop-up as well. So there are dies that you can use to die cut this basket. Honestly, it was so simple just to use my scissors and fussy cut it out quickly, and probably took me about the same time as if I'd got the dies out and die cut them. But very, very quickly. I did think about maybe popping up the basket, and I actually just thought that by adhering it straight down, it looked super cute, and by placing it just underneath that stamp, it looks like those baskets are overflowing with the wool, which is so fun. So this is an Instagram hop where we get together and you can see everyone else's creations that are joining in this week. So please go over to my Instagram page. My handle is @stampintracybish. You can go over and have a look at that and see everyone that's taking part. And I'd love it if you went over and checked out what everyone else is doing. I did use my stamping blends just to flick a little bit of ink. You can use your Stampin' Right markers as well, but I don't recommend it because it does ruin your pens. And honestly, I go through my blends pretty fast anyway because I use them a lot. So, and you can just purchase the two pens, the combo. Whereas if you're doing it in the Stampin' Right markers, you've got to purchase the whole colour family, which is really, really bad. Okay, so I've added the baskets there. I'm also using the adhesive back sequins trio as my embellishments there. If you've enjoyed this card, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you left me a comment, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that, and maybe share the video. And if you're in need of any supplies that I've used on today's card, you can certainly purchase them in my online store. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, head over to Instagram and check out the hop. All right, bye-bye.